In the ever-evolving landscape of technological advancements, the Xinfrared XH09 thermal imaging monocular emerges as a cutting-edge device, offering a myriad of features tailored for both recreational and professional applications. This innovative tool, boasting a 50 Hz night vision capability and a versatile 2x15x continuous digital zoom, opens up a world of possibilities for enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Xinfrared XH09 thermal imaging monocular is not just a device, it's a gateway to a multitude of scenarios. Its adaptability spans across various activities, making it an indispensable tool for hunters, wildlife enthusiasts, security personnel, mountaineers, and enthusiasts alike. Embrace the stealth of the night with the Xinfrared X2's 50 Hz night vision, providing hunters with a distinct advantage in low light conditions. The 2x15x digital zoom ensures a clear and detailed view of the surroundings, enabling precise target identification. Wildlife exploration. Uncover the mysteries of the nocturnal world with the monocular's thermal imaging capabilities. Whether you're an avid birder or a wildlife photographer, the Xinfrared X2 allows you to observe and document wildlife behavior with clarity and precision. Security professionals can enhance their surveillance capabilities with the Xinfrared XH09 Patrolling darkened areas or monitoring large expanses becomes more efficient and effective with the device's advanced thermal imaging technology. In emergency situations, every second counts. The monocular aids rescue teams in locating individuals in challenging environments, ensuring a swift and targeted response to emergencies. Scaling new heights comes with its challenges, especially in diverse terrains. The Xinfrared X2 assists mountaineers by providing a clear view of the surroundings, helping them navigate safely through varying conditions. Whether studying animal behavior or conducting wildlife research, the thermal monocular offers a non-intrusive means of observation, capturing moments in the natural world without disturbing the subjects. Enhance safety during nighttime camping or driving adventures by utilizing the Xinfrared X2's night vision capabilities. Observe the surroundings with confidence, even in low-light conditions. Beyond outdoor activities, the Xinfrared X2 finds utility in home and industrial projects. Enthusiasts can leverage its thermal imaging features for tasks such as detecting heat leaks, electrical issues, or insulation gaps.